Not bad. Oh! Oh! I lost it! What did you do, Daniel? Dunzo. No more east wall. Double backflip, Daniel? Oh, come on! Alright, so we back 3'd it twice. I think I need to front 3 it next time. A lot of you guys might not know this, but I actually take days off. I just do a lot of work on some days in order to have days off. So I can still post daily videos and stuff like that. And we've been doing a ton recently to get the baby's room ready. Like I built the crib, we got the everything in there. The baby's room is looking amazing. We're super excited. This weekend we had the baby shower, so I had to take like 2 or 3 days off, everything like that. And when I came back from that weekend, I was like, I felt so much pressure to just get some work, you know, like get work done. I need to post on Instagram, I need to share the video, I need to do all this stuff. And then I looked at my wife and I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna not work tonight. And I'm just going, and I'm not gonna wake up at 4 in the morning. I'm just gonna watch a movie with my wife and I'm gonna sleep in, and it's gonna be Monday. It's like almost the last week before camp. We have a couple days before we leave for camp. And then I'm gonna kick butt the next couple days. But tonight, I'm just gonna spend some time with the family, with Roman, with Bobby, and just like enjoy it. Man, that was the move. Like, don't be afraid to just like put some stuff off for a second. I don't know. It was good for my mental health, mental state. I feel great. I'm ready to rip today now. And yeah, I've been snowboarding in what, 4 days or something like that. That's a lot. Not going snowboarding for 4 days in a row is a lot for me. So I'm ready to just rip on the snowboard. Daniel's out here. We won't hike with Daniel. Or maybe we will. I don't know. If there's a section at the east wall that I wanted to hike last time and it's open, I'm going to hike it. But if that's not the case, we're going to ride some park. We're going to just have a good day today. So enough talking. I don't even know why I wanted to share that with you guys, but the baby room's coming together. Baby shower's over. Our second child, baby little girl, is almost here. We're excited. All right, enough talking. Got to get ready. And we're going to head cam today. We found Daniel too. He didn't die on the east wall. Yeah. Today's gonna be sick. Look at all this snow! All right, Daniel, so I noticed something about your helmet. You got this sticker that says, no veil, stop veil. What? I just have a question though. What pass did you buy for next season?
I got an Icon pass, actually.
Oh, if you guys don't know which pass to get, I just released a Icon versus Veil or Epic pass. Which pass should you buy? If you're having a hard time decide, check this video out right here. And yeah, are you on the anti-Epic like our boy Daniel, or are you, don't care, I don't care, I buy both.
It's hard not to let go, and when somebody tells you I told you so.
Arapahoe Basin's got a new snake run. Let's go. The snow's still a little firm today. It's been a little hard, but we're gonna give this one a shot anyways. Help break it in. Forgot to tighten my heel. That's a load. Oh, they did take all the signs off. It's donezo. No more east wall. Oh, rats. Also, now that the east wall's closed, it's just this, guys. Everything right here in front of us. Alright guys, so I tend to beat Daniel by a little bit to the park. So I was like, oh, we'll do the sticker shout out at the park. And then he comes down the fastest he's ever gone down. But Daniel's here and we're still gonna do today's sticker shout out. We got Tom 360 with the Team Buckhouse sticker on the forehead. There is only one way to get that Team Buckhouse sticker, and that's to be, or actually two ways. You gotta be a member, which is the little join button next to the subscribe button. And if that's not showing up for you, check out the link in the description, or you got to be a part of the Patreon. So check those out, those options, if you want that Team Buckhouse sticker. As well as we got Rob Rogers with the white sticker on the helmet, looking insane, dude. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. Guys, if you want any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snagging them, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also, you should follow my Instagram just for bonus extra content, as well as I post where I'm riding each day. However, until we leave for snowboard camp, we're gonna be riding a basin, but follow the Instagram. I promise it's full of a bunch of fun extra content. All right, now that the job part of today is out of the way, what are we doing? Double backflip, Daniel? All right, more fun stuff. Here we go. I'm gonna do the snake run switch. What now? I'm gonna do the snake run switch. So like, I'm gonna go backwards. Not bad. Oh, oh! I lost it. Oh, I was doing so good. And then I just started going too fast.
Started bouncing out of control.
Yeah. I mean, it's a little bouncy in there.
Right.
What I need to do is spin this huge jump over here. I'm so scared to do it.
Oh, the far right one you've been hitting?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna do a back three on it, I think.
Massive.
I'm so scared to do it, but I'm just gonna huck it. Here we go. Oh! It was little. We just gotta go bigger. Oh, it's so scary.
Yeah, man, that was fun.
We'll just take it bigger and bigger. Yeah. The landings are getting so bombed out. So last time we did the snake run switch, we did pretty good. We lost it towards the end. Let's see if we can get the whole snake run switch. If you know what a switch is, that's when you ride the opposite direction that you normally ride. We lost it. Let's go. It's so scary. Alright, so we back 3'd it twice. I think I need to front 3 it next time. Probably do better. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I leave June 3rd. A Basin closes June 6th. I might not get the pond. No Pondsgiving? Like, come on. A Basin, melt this thing. Do something. I want to rip the pond. It's so full of snow right now. Hopefully, we have a whole week of really warm weather. Hopefully that thing starts to show up and we can like, if you don't know what a Pondsgiving is, check this video out right here. Oh man, I hope they're just like replacing it or moving it, because I wanted to bring Roman here one more time to hit that box, but it might be donezo for the season.
Oh no.
Well, it's all melted down. It's been closed, it looks like, for a couple days. So they farmed this whole section trying to make this run last as long as possible. Sadly, guys, that run was chipmunk, and the snow is just starting to get real good. But I'm gonna take Roman to play t-ball because he's about to start t-ball lessons. So let's do that teleport thing where I kind of like, you know, and like that, we're ready to play some t-ball, right, dude? Dude, you got a nice red glove. Do you want to hit first or do you want to catch? You want to hit? Okay. Take the bat and you see if you can line up. Okay. Wait. Gotta get out the way. Is mommy ready? Hit it. Whoa! The dog saw you smack it out of the park, dude. Hi, Mom. Whoa, dude! Smacking it out of the park. Good squats. Yeah, dude. The squats really help. Yeah, squat. Yeah, good position. No way. Yeah, dude. They went past mommy. High five. So good. All right, guys. We're going to just keep playing some t-ball. Little dude's doing great. So he's playing with the 4- and 6-year-olds. So we've been bringing him out here, practicing a bit, so he's ready to play with the older kids because mom did get him in a year early. So we just felt, as the parents, for the other 4- and 6-year-olds, that our kid should know what he's doing if he's gonna break the rules. You know what I'm saying? If he's the exception, he should show up and crank the ball like he's doing, right, dude? But I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. My goal is to help you guys become the best snowboarders possible, but also just show you my life and my family, and I'm just a dude just chasing his dreams, and you guys can too. Today on the mountain was sick. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you just hit yourself in the face?
I think you got clogged.
Oh, okay. And we're gonna just keep playing some t-ball, guys. This is the last week of A Basin before I take off and go to summer camp, which I'm so excited for. Summer camp that's in Timberline, Oregon. We finally got a sick park. We're gonna ride. We have jumps. The camper's gonna come out. We're just gonna progress. It's gonna be an insane time. Good squats, good position. Yeah, dude. So with that, Team guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today, playing some t-ball with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. keep evolving. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. That was out of the house, dude.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
I do it.
You're doing it.